In this video, I'll be showing you how to export your returns as a PDF using the T5 as an example. First, open the Reports page for this slip by clicking Reports and navigating to the specific return. Once the Reports page is open, select the recipients you want to include using the checkboxes in the list or the filters. Then select the copy to export depending on if it is the file, recipient, or submission copy. Check the Save PDF Files box and any other boxes under PDF file options that apply to you. Then click Preview PDF. eForms will then preview your report PDF and give you a message letting you know the output folder. eForms will then prompt you to set the filing status for this return to Filed by Paper. Only click Yes if you are submitting this report to CRA or Revenue Quebec. The folder containing the exported PDF can be opened by clicking Output Folder. This has been another AvanTax eForms Quick Help video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca